Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cursor AI on Windows or macOS without paying for a subscription. So Cursor AI is one of the most powerful AI coding tools like ChatGPT but built for developers. And it helps you write, edit, and debug code faster. But here's the secret, you don't always need to pay for Pro. Let me show you how. So the first method is the free plan and ChatGPT-4 access. So first you can go to the official Cursor website, this one in here, cursor.com, and download it for Windows or Mac OS. And now after you've installed this program, you can just sign up, create a free account, and the free plan already gives you access to GPT-4 powered coding assistance with daily limits. And the second method, you can connect your own OpenAI or Anthropic key. So Cursor lets you connect your own OpenAI or Anthropic API key. By doing this, you can bypass limits and get unlimited access without paying Cursor for Pro. Just generate your key from OpenAI's account page, paste it into Cursor in here, and you've unlocked all the power for free. And next, if you're a student, you can check if your school or coding bootcamp gives free API credits, because many universities in 2025 are partnering with OpenAI and Anthropic. You can use those credits directly inside Cursor, no subscription needed. And another way, if you have GitHub Student Developer Pack or use Microsoft Azure credits, you often get free API credits, and these credits can be plugged into Cursor for unlimited usage. And it is important to stay away from cracked versions or shady download links. They can steal your code or install malware. Always download Cursor from the official website and use only official API keys. And that's how you can use Cursor AI free in 2025 with unlimited access on Windows or Mac OS. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!